Yo, View Nation, are you tired of getting eaten up by mosquitoes when you're outside trying to enjoy these warm summer nights? Then I think I got something for you. This nice K9 bug zapper. Alright, so you might want to stay tuned and check out this video. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for UblitzZap, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, View Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a nice, modern, and unique looking bug zapper, alright? But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It really helps the channel. It's free, don't cost you anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright? Alright. Get that out of the way. Alright, View Nation. Today we're going to be taking a look at this nice K9 bug zapper from a company called UblitzZap. Alright? This is one of them things that come in handy when you're outside, warm summer nights, trying to enjoy this nice summer weather, what have you. And you got those, pesky mosquitoes always bothering you and messing with you. Something like this is supposed to aid and help, get rid of the mosquitoes so you can enjoy your warm summer nights, really sitting out on the porch, or what have you. Or you have it in the house. You want to, the flies come in or whatever, the mosquito, kids running in and out, leaving the door open and, flying insects get in the house. Something like this will come in handy. All right. But I'm going to read some specs out for the spec junkies. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. I just like to, display new products I get right here on the channel, all right? So I'm not an expert, all right? So let me give the spec junkies a little bit of information on this bad boy right here. It's a UblitzZap 3-in-1 modern bug zapper. It's got a trap indoor. It's got an indoor trap, and it's an electric, electric mosquito killer, excuse me. 2,000 volt insect zapper with fan. So it's got a fan in here too, so suck them down. Okay, it's got a fan, intensive 365 nm UV light. I'm not sure what that stands for, but it's a UV light in there to kind of draw them in. It's a light sensor that draws the mosquitoes in. It kills moths, gnats, flies, and so on and so on. And the most important, mosquitoes. So this is something that'll help out. So this is all the specs I can kind of see on the website. So enough with talking and everything. Let's go ahead and take a look at it and get this out of the box. I'm excited to see what it's all about. So as you see the box, it looks like a nice sleek design right here. You see that right there? Let's get a K9 on here. Let's see what's on here. Got the same thing on the front, Let's see what's on the back. On the back, it just tells you all the things it does right here, high voltage. I'll let you see this. You can pause this and read it for yourself. All right. So let's get this bad boy out of the box. Enough to talk. Let's get this bad boy out of the box. So I want to see what we actually got in here. All right. Let me see here. All right. Okay. Got your instruction booklet. You want to hold on to that with something like this. Oh, got a little cleaning brush. All right. Let's see what else is in here. What is this? Okay. What? Okay, they got it packed real good for shipping. Good looking. All right. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Boy, this is big. This is bigger than any bug zapper I've had. All right, I'm gonna toss this box aside because we don't need that right now. Oh, making all that noise. Hope it didn't break anything. But anyway, let's get this bad boy out. Boy, they got it packed real good. That's what I'm talking about. Making sure the product is in good shape when you get it. All right. Voila. Wow, this is different. It looks like a pill. You know what I'm saying? It's got a pill shape, and you can see it moves up and down. That's pretty cool. It's got electric cord, connected to it, so you ain't got to worry about losing the cord. That's pretty cool. I do wish this was rechargeable. That would be even better. But not gonna start complaining just about it and whatever. But that would have been a nice touch, so you can portable and take it around with you everywhere or take it out camping. But anyway, but you probably wouldn't want to have this outside because I'm pretty sure you can't get this wet. There's not no waterproof or whatever. But anyway, this is pretty nice. This is pretty cool. All right. So let me go ahead and let you see this real quick. All right, as you can see here, you got your power button right here. Looks like a light sensor right there. All right, so if I'm not mistaken, it senses light. So when it gets dark, it'll automatically click on. When you got it powered on, it'll automatically shut off. You know, when the lights come on, when it senses light, and then come back on when it gets dark. All right, so that's pretty cool. And you got these right here. They're trying to hold it on. A little stand. All right, nothing really right here. Let's see. You got your rubber stopper on the bottom. So make sure, you know, it won't slide around on whatever you got it on, table, counter, whatever. There's some more information right here. You can pause this, read it for yourself. All right. Okay. Oh, well, I didn't see that. I didn't notice that. Okay. So you can hang it upside down. That's cool. That's cool. I didn't notice that. It's got a little hook on here to where you can go ahead and hang it upside down. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right. Let's go ahead and check out it. And then right here should be, I think this is the trap where all the mosquitoes will be when you slightly turn this, all right, and you pull it out, and bam, and that's where all your mosquitoes go, and all your bugs or whatever bugs it catches will fall in here. Because as you can see right here, I don't know, see it, it's a little fan in here. It blows. It sucks the insects down into the trap right here. So you just no mess, easy to get them. Dump it out, bam, you're good to go. That's too cool. Let me see how easy it is to get it back in here. Okay, too easy. Hear it click, and you're back in business. Okay, okay, this is different. This is different. This is different. Because all the bug zappers I've had, didn't have this kind of features, and it's just a unique and modern look. But let me go ahead and plug this thing up. Find a plug, and go ahead and plug this thing up and see how it sounds. Let me find a good power source. Okay, we got it plugged in. All right, so let me go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Hit the power button. All right, you heard it beep. And let me see, let me see about this fan. Okay, one click on and one click off. So one click on. Let me show you the fan. I'm gonna turn it upside down so you can see it a little bit better, see the fan. So I'm gonna click it off real quick. All right, you see the fan in there? Comes on. As you can see, the light came on here. And the light came on because it's blocking the light sensor. So as soon as I'm gonna get to where you can turn it. As soon as I move it where the sensor can see light, it should cut off. Let me press and hold, see what that does. Okay, now I get it. Now I get it. All right, we're doing this live. All right. So when I cover the light sensor, turn around where you can see it a little bit better. All right, as you see right here, the light is off because I had to press and hold to put it in that automatic mode where it goes off in the daytime and it comes back on in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold my finger on here. As you see, the light came on and the fan came on. Now I take my hand off of there, bam. As you can see right here, I'll let you see. Put my finger on there, and it comes on and goes off. Now, if you wanted to stay on all the time, without worrying about that sensor, that's cool. But I prefer to have it like that because that's a good look. Now, if you have it indoors and you're trying to, in the kitchen and you try them pesky fruit flies, then you would just keep it on like this. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So what I want to do, if I can get it turned around, right? What I want to do is go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna set this on the porch overnight, and so we can see what we're working with, and see, how many bugs it collects or whatever, So, we'll determine how good this works when we come back in the morning. All right. Hold tight. Okay. I got the bug zapper plugged up. As you can see, I got it on the sensing. I got it on the sensing setting. So once it gets dark, it'll come on. So we'll check it in the morning to see how it worked. All right. Hold tight. Okay, View Nation, we back. We back. We had the bug zapper outside, and unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to leave it outside overnight because of a bad rainstorm. But for the time we did have it outside, it looked like it did a few bugs. So what I'm going to do now, I got it plugged up, and let's go ahead in here and see how many bugs it got. So I'm going to tilt it up and turn the bottom tray. Hope nothing jumps out at me. Trying to get this tray out is a little tricky. All right, and as you can see, look, it got maybe one bug in here. Yeah, maybe one bug, and that's because we didn't get a chance to really leave it out all night. But you know, it is doing something, because as I noticed, let me put this back in there. We put the and I do wish with this tray, I wish it would have been a slide out tray instead of this tray here where you can have to twist it to get it on. All right, got it on. All right, as you can see in here, you have a few little bugs in here. I'm not sure if you can really see that. There's a few little bugs in here. They got stuck on the electrical wire in there. All right. Overall, it looks like one of the bugs fell off too, down here in the bottom. So overall, I think this is a pretty neat little bug zapper. It's different. It's unique. It's slick, sleek, modern. It's a different type of bug zapper, than I'm used to. But it's pretty nice, and I like the fact that it has a light sensor on here, which is when you press the button on, that turns it on. By press and hold, and as you can see, the light went off because there's light in here. But once I put my finger over the light sensor, let me find the light sensor. It comes on. Take my finger off, goes off. Put my finger on, and the light, cover the light sensor up, and the light should come back on. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. The only other thing that I wish it would have been is portable, like it had a rechargeable battery where you can have it sitting outside. But other than that, I mean, this is nice. This is nice. This is a definite pickup if you like enjoy it outside, good outdoors, and all that good stuff. This is a definite pickup. And go back over some of the specs. Like I said, it's 2,000 volts. So when them bugs get in there, they get hit with 2,000 volts and 8.5 wattage. So, and this, this has a little weight to it. A nice premium, device. And you got your little brush to go ahead and clean it off. But it's pretty decent. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information on it. If you want to check it out, get more information that I didn't have in the video, you can get more detailed information from the link that I'm gonna leave down in the description box. All right. So that's been my review on this nice little bug zapper, nice little modern bug zapper, the K9 bug zapper. You can see here. Oh, my light is shining on there. Okay. But like I said, if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, so you can see more neat products like this on the channel. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see here. The message for today is, use your time wisely. All right. Because that's something you never can get back. So that's the message for today. Use your time wisely. All right. This is your main man, Mark for CLHVIEWS. Drop the mic. Get him out. Peace.